Good evening. I'm Jarvis, sir. Please tell me, how may I help you?
What kind of things you can do?
I can do following things. I can wish you. I can tell you current time. I can open File Explorer. I can open Notepad. I can shut down this app on goodbye. I can open things in browser. I can play music. I can get information from Wikipedia. I can tell my name.
Alright then, tell me, what's your name?
My name is Jarvis.
What is the current time?
The time is 10:48 and 45 seconds p.m.
Alright, that's pretty good. Open File Explorer.
Opening File Explorer.
Open Notepad.
Opening Notepad.
Um, Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Who is Sushant Singh Rajput according to Wikipedia?
Sushant Singh Rajput, January 21, 1986 to June 14, 2020, was an Indian actor. Rajput started his career with television serials. His debut show was Star Plus's romantic drama Kiss Dash Main Hai Mera Dil, 2008, followed by a starring role in Zee TV soap opera Pavitra Rishta, 2009 to 2011. Rajput made his film debut in the buddy drama Kai Poche, 2013, for which he received a nomination for the Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut.
That's pretty good. Can you put on some music? Play the music.
Playing music.
Can you repeat after me?
You said, can you repeat after me? Am I right, sir?
Yes, you are right.
Thank you, sir. I will keep improving myself.
Alright, Jarvis, goodbye.
Goodbye and take care, sir.